How you doing, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your 2020 Honda CRV, or if you have a Honda remote that looks like this, like an Accord or an Odyssey, it's pretty much the same thing. What you're going to want to do at first is you're going to want to release the emergency key, and if you just slide down this little button you have here, you can pull the emergency key right out. Okay, now the way I'm going to want you to hold this remote is I want you to hold it face down. The reason why is that we're going to split this key in half, and once you do that, all these buttons get real loose. Okay, they become loose where you can just drop them all over the place. So we're going to want to hold it like this, and as I said before, we're going to split the case open. I'm going to recommend using a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife to split the case open. You can use the emergency key, but it's a little thick. Okay, this works really well for me. And again, just hold on to this thing real good because you don't want to lose the buttons. Okay, so just get it and stick it right here where I have it, and you can just kind of pry it open a little bit. Be kind of careful with it and hold on to it just like this. Okay, if you hold on to it like this, nothing will fall apart. You'll be in good shape. So the battery this uses is a CR2032. Okay, I'll leave a link down in the description box below if you'd like to pick up a pair on Amazon. They're really cheap. They're like $1 a piece, so check it out if you haven't bought your batteries yet. So just get your flathead screwdriver next, and you can just pry on the battery to release it right here on the side, and you just pull it right out. Okay, just note that the positive sign will be on the top, and when you get your new one, you're going to want to slide it into the slot you have here. There's like it's slotted a little bit right here. Slide it in there first, and then just push it down. The back case just goes and just snaps right back on, and then you can just put the emergency key back in, and you're good to go. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, could you please hit that like button, and I really appreciate it if you subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.